want to make a quick video. This is an old, I believe it's a Craftsman belt sander. Yep, Craftsman. Anyway, a while back I had an issue. It stalled out. I thought it was just fried or the belt broke. Ended up I'll put this back a second. This is like the belt cover, shroud, whatever you want to call it. It had like a little dust collector thing on here. There was like an impeller in there and hooked to a bag and or went meal in like that, and it went down there to what had the dust port. Anyway, the impeller in there somehow the bearing or whatever it was in the prop failed, and that's what was stalling it. And I was like, I don't really care. It didn't work that well anyway. Yeah, it collected a lot of dust, but it didn't really threw dust all over anyway. So you still got to clean up. So I was like, that's kind of stupid. So. And it wasn't cost effective to fix it. He couldn't even find it if he could. It was too cost prohibitive for this kind of old machine. And I had this piece on there forever, and it was like 3 inches thick. I was like, it meant you can't get in places because this thing was sticking out and it was just in the way and didn't work. So I ended up taking hacks out of that thing, cut that shorter, so at least the dust doesn't fly right back in your face anyway. And I just used a screwdriver and broke that off there. And there was like a little shaft there where the old impeller sat on, off the gear there. And I took an angle grinder and a cutoff wheel and cut that off. And then I'm just going to put this back on and use it like that. At least that way the belt's still guarded. Yeah, you have a little hole there, but that's not. I'm more worried about the belt and these cogs and things pinching and getting whatnot. So as long as the belt guard's there, I say it's good enough to use. I have a better belt sander too I got last year when this one started acting up, but I figure if it still works, why get rid of it? And as long as it's safe enough, and I'll keep using it until something else major fails, and then I'll throw it out or whatever and recycle it. But that's the kind of way you can fix some of these belt sanders. And usually most of them I know have a belt in there, like a motor on top and a belt, so even if this isn't the same thing, if it stalls out or doesn't work, the issue's probably going to be a broken belt. I saw somebody once throw a whole machine out and they ended up with just needing a new belt, and it isn't like $5 or $10 you get a new belt, and you don't have to spend $80 or $90 on a whole new machine.